Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to claim free Bitcoin. Like seriously, I mean it, free Bitcoin. Let me show you guys something on actually I have to log into my Binance right now, and my SIM card is not on my phone, so I won't be able to show you guys, but it is actually real and it is legit. So without further wasting of your time, please, if you are new to my channel, my name is Abdus also, and please subscribe to my channel. I have tons of videos that have high value content, and I also have a affiliate marketing masterclass that I'm holding. So I would like you guys to join my affiliate marketing masterclass. It's actually going to hold tomorrow 8:30 p.m. in the evening. As you can see, it will be filled with value and good content, like just like my videos. So guys, please don't miss out. Join the affiliate marketing masterclass. The link will be left in the description section below. So without further wasting of your time, here are the criteria you will need, or here are the tools you are going to need to claim this free Bitcoin. So if you're on Android, you have to go to your Play Store and download either Trust Wallet or Binance, because we are going to be needing a wallet to receive our free Bitcoin. As you can see, I have the two apps on my phone. If you are on Android, you go to Play Store to download your Trust Wallet or your Binance. If you have your Trust Wallet on your Binance, fine, but I will suggest you use a new account for this free Bitcoin. So what you have to do next is just go to your browser and type in this search word Moon Bitcoin. So when you search for Moon Bitcoin, you are going to see tons of tons of pages that is going to load up. So what you have to do next is click on the first one that shows up, then try and verify the captcha. Okay, this I should look for the vertical ones, vertical river. So after verification of the reCAPTCHA, all you have to do next is just go to your wallet. As you can see, you have been logged into free. As you can see, it's a free Bitcoin mining app. Websites. Start mining bits. Start earning Bitcoins with free Bitcoin mining. Moon Bitcoin for sale trading. This app is really legit, because I have my friends that have been doing it for like some few days back now, and he has been withdrawing every single time, and they have been paying him very well. So actually, like, the website has different price plan, but for today we are going to be using the free and unlimited price plan, which has 1 mega hash per second, and you are going to be getting payment of 0.05 BTC, and there's no contract address, or and your mining time is 1800 seconds. So, and they have the one of 0.12 BTC, which is a young plan. You're going to be getting 1 giga hash per second, and it will be a weekly payment that you're going to be paying them, and the contract is a 1-year contract, and your subscription will be 900 seconds, which will make it very fast. The business plan is 0.14 BTC, and they'll give you 10 giga hash per second. This is really huge, and it will be a weekly payment. You're going to be paying them weekly for them to mine this Bitcoin for you for free, and your subscription time will be 500 seconds that you are going to use to claim your bonus, and you can multiply your bonus by ×3. And the enterprise hash is the one of 1 tera hash per second. Weekly payments 120 seconds. So this one is just 2 minutes. Every 2 minutes you are going to be coming to claim BTC. And this one is unlimited plan. As you can see, it's a 1-year contract, and that's a 10 times bonus, and it is unlimited. You can just keep on claiming, and it's actually not available right now. These the remaining plans are not available. They are still coming now. So what you have to do next is just come here and click on get started. So when you click on get started, to go to this page where you are going to log in and input your wallet address. So what I will be using for this is a Bitcoin address from Trust Wallet. So I will not be using my actual Trust Wallet. What I will do is I will log into my Trust Wallet, then I'll try and create another wallet. As you can see, I have two wallets on Trust Wallets, and everybody knows how to create an external wallet, a wallet that has no coin. So because this thing is at owner's risk, so what I will do is I'll come to my Bitcoin section, click on receive, then I'll copy my wallet address and go to moonbitcoin.com. So what I'll do is input my wallet address here, and I'll click on login. So after clicking on login, as you can see, it says login successful. Do you want online free Bitcoin mining? You click on start. So after clicking on start, it's going to load. So as you can see, there's an option here that says welcome, we have added a bonus to your account for your first login. You can start mining. Then you click on start. So after clicking on start, as you can see, you have been given 0.0004 BTC as your starting bonus, and this is the bonus for registration. So what you have to do to start mining, then you go to this option here, you click on start mining, start Bitcoin mining. So after clicking on start Bitcoin mining, a short code will start loading on the system. As you can see, it says it will take him 600 seconds to complete this mining section. It says never close the mining window. The amount you earned will not be calculated if you close the mining window. So all you have to do is you have to wait for 600 seconds for this thing to complete before you close the window, and then your mining will be calculated and to be sent to your wallet. As you can see, you start mining with 0.02, 0.02, 0.01, and everything will add up. So guys, if you want to earn more with this platform, this is what I will tell you guys to do. So you come here to the home section, then you click on these three dash lines, then you click on daily bonus. So after clicking on daily bonus, it will load this page up. Sorry for the ad. It will load this page up. Then you will see an option that writes your daily bonus is active. Then you click on get it now. So after clicking on get it now, you see congratulations, you have earned 0.000691. We transfer the bonus to your end right now to accounts. Come back tomorrow and don't forget to get your daily bonus. So this daily bonus has been added to our accounts, and as you can see, you have 0.00470474404 BTC. So the final step is for you to withdraw. So for you to withdraw, you have to go do is come and click on withdraw option here. Then it said new withdrawal request. You can withdraw half of the total amount. Then the address in which your withdrawal will be sent to is this. Then if you want to withdraw, you say your status of withdrawal request is listed here. Then if you want to withdraw, all you have to do is just click on confirm, and you enter the amount of BTC you want to withdraw. And the minimum for withdrawal on this platform is 0.0005 BTC. So guys, this is a great opportunity for you guys to earn free Bitcoin. So if you like this video, please make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the post notification to get notified anytime I have a new update for you guys. Thank you for my 61 subscribers. I'm so grateful. And don't forget to join my affiliate marketing masterclass. The link will be in the description section below. Thank you very much. I'm out. This is Abdul's Hustle.